Hello and welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to find x-intercepts, specifically for quadratic functions. This means we will be figuring out exactly where a parabola crosses the x-axis. This is a fundamental skill in graphing and solving equations. First, let's define what we are looking for. An x-intercept is simply the point on a graph where the line or curve crosses the horizontal x-axis. The most important thing to remember is that at any x-intercept, the y-value is always 0. You might also hear these points referred to as roots, zeros, or solutions. So, how do we find them mathematically? A standard quadratic function is written as f of x equals a x squared plus bx plus c. Since we know the y-value is 0 at the intercepts, we replace f of x with 0. This gives us the equation 0 equals a x squared plus bx plus c. Now, our goal is simply to solve for x. When dealing with parabolas, there are three possibilities for the number of solutions. First, the parabola might cross the x-axis 2 times, giving us 2 distinct real solutions. Second, the vertex might just touch the axis, giving us exactly 1 real solution. Or third, the parabola might float completely above or below the axis, meaning there are no real solutions. The first and often fastest method to solve these equations is by factoring. The goal is to turn the addition and subtraction in your equation into multiplication. We look for two numbers that multiply to give the constant term, c, and add up to the middle coefficient, b. Once factored, we use the zero product property, which states that if two things multiply to 0, one of them must be 0. Let's see factoring in action with the equation x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. We need factors of 3 that add up to -4. Those numbers are -3 and -1. So, we write the equation as x minus 3 times x minus 1 equals 0. Setting each part to 0, we find that x equals 3 and x equals 1. Sometimes equations are messy and don't factor easily. In those cases, we use the quadratic formula. It works for every single quadratic equation. The formula is x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. You just need to plug in the values for a, b, and c. Let's solve x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0 using the formula. Here, a is 1, b is 2, and c is -8. Plugging these into the formula, we get -2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 times 1 times -8. This simplifies to the square root of 36, which is 6. Calculating both options, we get x equals 2 and x equals -4. To wrap up, remember these key points. X-intercepts occur where y is 0. You can find 0, 1, or 2 real solutions depending on the graph. Always check if you can factor the equation first because it is usually faster. But if you get stuck, the quadratic formula is your reliable backup tool that solves everything.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.